Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into the world of blogging with a step-by-step guide on how to write a blog on WordPress. Whether you're a newbie or just looking to refresh your skills, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll land on the main admin page. From here, we'll create a new post. Navigate to the Posts section on the left-hand menu and click Add New. This is where you'll start crafting your blog post. Here's the post editor. At the top, you'll see a field for your title. Make sure your title is catchy and relevant. It's the first thing readers will see. Below the title, you have the main content area. This is where you'll write your blog post. You can use the editor to format your text and add headings, lists, and more. For better readability, use headings to break up your content. It helps readers navigate your post more easily. Highlight text and select the heading style from the drop-down menu. Adding images and other media can make your blog post more engaging. Click on the add icon to upload or select images from your media library. Once your image is uploaded, you can add a title, caption, and alt text. Alt text is important for accessibility and SEO. Don't forget to add categories and tags to help organize your content and make it easier for readers to find related posts. After you've written your post and added media, it's time to preview it. Click preview to see how it will look once published. If everything looks good, you can hit publish to make your post live. If you need more time, you can save it as a draft and come back to it later. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a blog post on WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!